Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just clicking for the first time, my name is Nancy. Please make yourself comfortable. You are welcome. Okay, so in today's lesson I am going to show you some of the activities that I do with my child in order to develop his muscles and his little fingers in writing and holding the pencils. Okay, and all these activities that you will see now, they are DIY activities. Okay, you can do all by yourself. You must not buy everything because this is a daily things that you do with your child. So please relax back and enjoy. Okay,
this is what? Apple. And what is the name of this color? What is this color?
Red.
This is color red. Good job. Can you color the apple for me?
Yeah.
Good job. I color the apple for me. Color it.
so guys, you can see him coloring the apple, and I think he's still liking coordination. I try to hold him so as to color the inside. Okay, you can see that he's still coloring outside the apple. Okay, so these are the things that you continue telling the child. Okay.
What is this?
Ball.
Good. This is a ball. And what is the name of this color?
Purple.
Color purple. Can you color the ball for me?
Yeah.
Good job. Now color the ball for me. Good job. No, inside only the ball. Color the ball. Don't color outside. Color the ball for me. Good job. Good job. Inside. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Good job. Good. Good job. Now color here for me. Wow. Wow. This is color what?
Pink.
Color pink. Good job. Now see what you are going to do. If you tell me the color, you pick it and put it inside here for me. Okay? Use your right hand. This is color what?
Black.
Color black. Good job. Put it here. Good. This is color what?
White.
Good. Put it here. Good job. No. Easy. One by one. Pick another color. This is color what?
Yellow.
Put it here. Good job. This is color what?
Pink.
Good. Put it here. No, wait. This is color what? This is color what?
Red.
Good. Pick it. Pick the red. Put it here. Good. This is color what?
Yellow.
Pick it. Pick the yellow. No, pick it. Pick it very well. Pick it like this. Good. This is color what?
Green.
Color blue. Can you pick it? Good.
Yeah.
Pick it. Pick the blue and put it here. Good job.
So guys, you can see that I just changed to the pin, but before giving him the pin, I first of all allowed him to pick those pom-pom with his fingers. Okay, you can see him naming the colors. Then I now changed to the pin because I needed to give him something that is more harder. You know, I want him to exercise his muscles. Okay, and while I was doing it with him, I noticed that his hand was shaking. Okay, when he tries to squeeze the pin to pick the pom-pom from the table, his hands will be shaking, but he's doing everything, his whole effort to make sure that he picks those pom-poms inside the bowl. Okay, so you can see him using the other hand to support. Yes, because this is more harder. Okay, he really did a good job. So guys, in this method, I asked him to tear those papers bit by bit for me, but he couldn't give me what I needed, so he was just busy tearing it into 2-3 places. Okay, so you can as well try it with your child and hope your child will do well with it. So I have to switch over. So guys, in these activities, I needed him to squeeze his fingers for me, okay, by closing those cans. I just opened those cans and asked him to close it, and you can see that he's just closing the water cans, and he couldn't squeeze those covers. Okay, so I have to do it again with him and know if he can squeeze those fingers, but he still finds it difficult. But I know that as time goes on, he will be able to do that. You can see he will just put it and he couldn't squeeze it very well, but he tried. He tried.
This
Cup.
cup. This is color what?
Yeah, cup.
Color white. Good job. Now.
So guys, if you have watched up to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and you can share it as well. Why not tell your friends about this channel? It can be of help to someone. Please also like the video if you like what you've just seen. Please kindly subscribe. Okay, bye.